to tell you how to get a real Christmas tree, real Christmas tree.
How?
So you're going to climb on the line, you're going to jump it to the right side, and then we're going to put it in a little pot, a big pot, a little, and then we're going to put it there, and then we're going to decorate it, and it's done.
Where are you going to get the Christmas tree from?
There.
Where?
Here.
Oh, chop the top off. Yes, so what we're going to do is chop the top off the Leylandii, and that's going to be the Christmas tree. How big do you want it to be?
Yeah.
Oh look, you've got a big branch there, but that curves a bit. Yeah, look, there's a big one there that goes up. You could just chop that one.
Or we could chop this one.
Which one shall we chop?
One of these, because I know where I can square.
Let me have a look. We want to... There's one there, but they're not very thick. Do you not bothered if it's not very thick?
No, don't bother.
Right. So let's get the ladder out and chop some branches of that.
This is the ladder so we can climb up and cut the Christmas tree.
Are you going to climb up?
No, because I'm very scared of heights.
Alright, let me go up, see what I can cut. I still think that's a better one. Here we got the saw. Let's go. Yeah, you'd have to cut all of that off at the top so that, and then it'd be too short. Hold it. Yeah, the problem is they're not really thick at the top. So let's cut that big one there. I can cut the top bit off.
Now we're gonna cut this one.
Yeah, this one should be bigger. Right, that don't fall. Yeah, that should work much easier. Yeah. Go. Big Christmas tree coming. That is big. It's going to need some pruning. You can chop the top off. Yeah, so you can hold the star. Right? Hold it. Yeah, that'll be over 5 foot. And we'll prune the sides in. With the other one. It's much better than this one. Oh, you want 2?
I want 2.
Which one do you want? The big one or the little one?
Big one.
Anyway, that's how you get free Christmas trees. You've got Leylandii. Let's cut the top off. Yeah, that'll do. We'll cut the top off here.
Very big.
Here, so you can hold the star. That won't be able to hold it. This will. So that's going to be nearly 6 foot. That's 6 foot. And we'll cut the sides a little bit. It looks like someone's already been pruning these a little bit.
I hold 2. I hold the little one.
Yeah. You got your free Christmas tree.
Oh. That does not look like one.
Does not look like one.
Yeah, because it's so long.
What?
It's so long.
What do you mean long?
These are long.
Yeah, we'll trim them. Oh. Yeah, we'll trim it so it pokes out less. Put it steady.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne.
Yeah. Hey, hold it. Yeah, the reflection.